Okay, YouTube, I just wanted to upload a video showing how to remove each of the bezels on a 73 Mustang. I had to do some research and find several different videos on how to do this, so I thought I'd make one to show you how to do each knob, so it'll be kind of an all-in-one thing for you. So the first one here is the headlight switch, and what you're going to do is you're going to remove the knob here first. And the way you do that, if you reach up behind the console, you're going to feel a box, and then there's going to be a little button that you can push, and you're going to press that in, and you should be able to pull out the knob here. So I go ahead and move so I can get it here. And there goes the camera. Alright, let's try this again. Things are never easy with this vehicle. Alright, so I'm reaching up behind. Mercy. Of course, it's not going to come out easy. Alright, let me get my thumb in there. Alright, I think I got it. Son of a... Okay. Alright. Alright, so I used this little computer piece here to press that damn knob in, and out slides the shaft. Okay, sorry that took forever. Alright, so moving on. This is ridiculous. Alright, so next you got your bezel here to remove. How are you going to do that? Luckily, I got this nice huge flathead screwdriver. Fits right in here. Turn. You're going to make sure you want to shoot some WD-40 in each one of these here to make these easier to come off. So you keep turning, and this pin's going to come out. And there you go. Boom. Alright, so that one's done. Now to reinstall this, you got to make sure this other bracket behind here lines up, and then this is going to slide all the way back into the headlight switch behind there. So, alright, so we got that one. Next one, over here, wiper washer. Same thing, spray some WD-40 in there, reach up behind. And, oh shit, I don't have any room. So, right here's my fuse box. You're going to reach under there. There's one, I don't really want to bend this out, but there is one screw that is a 10mm socket. You reach under there, you undo that. It's got a little spring, so it's going to stay inside the fuse box, and you can move that out of the way so you have some room to work under here without having to remove the dash and everything. So once again, you're going to reach up behind here, you're going to pull the wiper washer switch out. It's going to just move. You're just going to pull that straight out, spray some WD-40 in there, and I went ahead and used this file here, this end, to just kind of help gently pry that out. And now you're stuck with the bezel. So I used the end of this. You can, I don't know, use a screwdriver or something to undo this ever so carefully, a little bit at a time. I think that's about there. No? Alright, keep going. Maybe? Nope. Nothing is easy on these vehicles, man, I'm telling you. So obviously I'm missing a step, I think, because this sucker is not wanting to come out of there. So let me see here. Reach up behind. Alright, there we go. So yeah, I just needed to keep screwing it. And boom. Comes out. And there's your wiper washer switch. And you can see you got a one-piece dual bezel there. And the cigarette lighter is different in its own. Let me show you here. Oh, hold on. Let me back it up. So the wiper washer knob, before you do all that, to get this knob off, you see it has this little bracket in here. You're going to take a flat screwdriver, or I think I used a, hold on, let me go get it here so you can see what what the heck I used. Alright, so this is what I used. Just this tiny little computer flathead. And what you're going to do to get the knob off, you're just going to reach behind that knob and just slowly press on this piece here, and that'll let you pop the knob out. So when you have the knob out, get the fuse box out of the way with the 10mm socket, get behind here, lube it up, remove the wiper washer bracket, then remove the bezel using some type of tool to get in here and slowly rotate the pin out. Last, the lighter. So here's your lighter. get this organized here. Sorry about the lighting here. So, okay, lights, wiper washer. Have the lighter bezel inside. I'm working on cleaning that up. So anyway, this one does not have a pin. So this one does not have a pin. It's going to fit together. I'm using the wrong one, but anyway, it's going to fit together like so. All you got to do, pop the cigarette one out, pull that out. That's easy, right? And pretty much all I did was get a flathead inside of here and just kept rotating this till it came undone. And this little piece here, I don't even know if you can see this. Move the camera, maybe you can see that in there. See, all it does is attach to that one little piece. So I'm not really interested in getting the lighter to work since I'm not going to be smoking in here, but it's all about here the restoration. So that's how you get that out. I'm going to link to the other two videos that kind of give you a detailed look at. First one is going to show you exactly where the button is underneath here. I don't even know if I can do this, but I'm just going to bring the camera. I don't even know if you can see it or not, but let's see here. The thing that you're going to press should be right there. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but I'm tapping there with my little finger. That's the button you're going to press in to remove the knob. Then over here, here's the fuse box, and there's your 10 millimeter right there that you're going to undo to get this out of the way. And then here's your wiper washer socket that you're going to pull off. And there's your cigarette lighter. Okay, so I hope this helped you out on how to remove all those bezels. This car is a pain in my ass, but I love working on it. And my goal with these is I'm just going to try to clean them up and see what happens, and maybe just buy a chrome kit and try to chrome plate these myself with some type of plastic or something. This one here is plastic, this wiper washer bezel. The cigarette lighter one is metal, interesting enough. The lights one is also plastic. Of course that's probably metal because it's a cigarette lighter, so it's getting really hot. But anyway, these are just plastic. I'm going to link to another video for it shows you how to retrofit 1970 bezels on here. But to buy a kit of those, it's probably about $100 is what I saw, the cheapest one. And then you also have to buy some bushings since the spacing isn't right on those bezels. But anyway, hope the video helped out.